This is your year, your body, your revolution. A revolution powered not by starvation or sacrifice, but by science, freedom, and the unstoppable force of fat. Meet Sarah, a high-flying consultant whose life is a blur of delays, layovers, and desperation. Fast food became her lifeline: quick fries at gate 12, a sugary latte to survive another red eye. But those carbs, they weren't comfort. They were a cage, bloating that made her avoid mirrors, brain fog so thick she missed meetings, a scale that screamed failure, until she discovered the ultimate travel hack hiding in her carry-on. Jake's nights were a war zone. As an ER nurse, he saved lives while slowly losing his own. Vending machine candy bars at 2 a.m., energy drinks that left him shaking, a body clinging to sugar like a crutch. His cholesterol spiked, his joints ached, and his scrubs? They hid a secret 15 pounds of regret. But Jake refused to surrender. He found a weapon sharper than any scalpel. Fat. Emily's Pinterest-perfect wedding was crumbling. 30 days to go. A dress that wouldn't zip. A diet of tears and rice cakes. Just starve, they said. It's normal. But Emily wasn't normal. She was a fighter. And when she stumbled onto a bridal forum whispering about keto glow-ups, she grabbed that lifeline and never let go. The answer wasn't a fad. It wasn't a trick. It was fat. Your body's ancient, forgotten fuel. See, when you slash carbs, magic happens. Your liver unleashes ketones, tiny molecules that torch fat, crush hunger, and supercharge your brain. Studies show keto burns twice as much fat as low-calorie diets. Doctors are ditching prescriptions for bacon. And Sarah, Jake, and Emily? They're living proof. But let's get real. Keto's hard. Meal prep, tracking, confusion. That's why we created Keto Healthiness, the 7-day cleanse that does the heavy lifting for you. Apple cider vinegar to silence hunger screams. Exogenous ketones to flip your fat-burning switch. Collagen to heal your gut while you sleep. No starvation. No math. Just pour, mix, and glow. For views, she chugged butter coffee laced with Keto Healthiness capsules and went viral overnight. 2 million likes. 25 pounds gone. Forget diets, she told the world. This isn't a trend. It's a takeover. Sarah's carry-on is now a treasure. Macadamia nuts instead of Mandams. Avocado packets, not airport pizza. And her secret weapon? Carrying her Keto Healthiness capsules with her when she travels. Keto Healthiness capsules have been proven effective in combating bloat and jet lag. No more panic. No more shame. Just a woman reborn at 9,000 meters. Jake's 3 a.m. ritual? Ribeye seared in ghee. A Keto Healthiness capsule and his water bottle. No crashes. No cravings. Just steady nuclear energy. 15 pounds melted. Muscle carved. And his patients? They don't see a nurse anymore. They see a superhero. Emily's I do wasn't just to her partner, it was to herself. Salmon Towers. Collagen mocktails and her Keto Healthiness nighttime detox capsule that melted 18 pounds while she dreamed. No starvation. No panic. Just a dress that fit like fate and a glow that outshone the venue lights. Even the wild bends to keto. Pemmican, a 10,000-year-old superfood. Avocado boats stuffed with salmon, and the great Keto Healthiness capsules that turn trail mix into fat-burning gold. Because adventure doesn't compromise. And neither do you. For the next 24 hours, KetoGlow viewers get 18% off all starter kits. Scan the code GLOW18 for your discount. Click the link in the video description or in KetoGlow channel front end. This isn't just a product, it's your VIP pass to the keto revolution. Burn smarter. Glow brighter. This is your time. Get KetoGlow now. More than 1,750,000 people are already glowing. Moms, CEOs, nurses, gamers, Gen Z to boomers. This isn't a diet. It's a movement. Hit subscribe. Crush your limits. And remember, you don't just burn fat here. You burn to glow. For the next 24 hours, KetoGlow fam gets exclusive access. 18% off Keto Healthiness capsule starter kits. Scan the code GLOW18 or click the link in the description. This is your moment to burn smarter, glow brighter, and join the KetoGlow revolution.